Hey guys, we're back to do something cool today. We're doing a science project. These are the materials. I got the volcano. I got citric acid. I got a measuring cup with water inside, and I got food coloring. And I have baking soda, and I have glitter, a stirring spoon, and a measuring spoon, and a plastic cup. We're gonna add 3 spoons of citric acid and baking soda. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's a good. That's a lot. Hey, Lennox, let's put some glitter inside. Okay, you do it. Oh, there you go. Oh, sure. Do all of it, and then give me some too. Then let me have some too. Here you go. Thank you. It's a lot. I did it. The rest of it. I'll just play with the snow. Put some more in there, Lennox. Okay. And then make all of it in there. Say all of it, all of it, all of it, all of it. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Lennox, what was your favorite part? My favorite part when I was pouring the stuff in there, and then it exploded and you was mixing it. Yes. Chloe, what was your favorite part? My favorite part was all of it that was a swirl right there in here. Oh, Lennox! What? Look at that. This was so much fun. Let's go on another adventure. How about we go to the museum? Let's go!
Learn about historic African American heroes on the next episode of Lennox and Chloe Adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you never miss out on the fun.